Oh shit. Alright. I gotta redo. So anyway, I got this charger. It says there's no siren. So there's no siren. Anyway, so on these systems at least, first thing you check is this fuse. This is for the siren speaker. If the fucking camera will zoom in. There we go. So always check that fuse first before you go any further. I also tried swapping out this box, so that didn't help either. So anyway, everything over here is good. Just so you see, you hit this horn, it just blinks. Try to turn it on. When you go to here, it should be like wah 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 wah. Alright, so I'm gonna check the wiring in this bracket at the sirens themselves, and we'll take it from there. Alright, here's the culprit. Wires cut. Generally what I'll find is in these connectors inside. This isn't the case, but you'll see a lot of corrosion and all this shit in here. So always look for that. So basically, I didn't realize it. This car went out and all the wires are cut. So basically I'm just gonna reconnect it back to this harness that comes out of the bumper. See, it's going all in the bumper, and that's it.